E si riempiono gli occhi con le onde del mare. Ogni volta che va male ne dobbiamo parlare. Ed io vorrei fare pace ma lanciamo dei missili.
Oh, we just got to the Philippines.
We're at the airport now and we passed immigration first time here, so we're really excited.
Yeah, it's both of our first times here. Let's have some fun.
We almost got scammed basically for $60 USD for a private car to Moalboal. And we're heading to the pickup point for Grab and we're going to the bus station and we'll just be taking the bus to Moalboal. He's done with it.
So we met this couple. They're traveling to the same place that we are. Yeah, they're trying to charge us 36 at first, which is a lot. It's like 60
Too much,
USD
yeah.
to get to where we're going. We brought it down to 3,000 and then someone said 28 and now
She bargained for 2,000.
No, 25.
Oh, 25.
2,500.
Yeah.
That's about like 11 USD each,
which is a pretty good deal. It's
way better.
So now we're just negotiating.
La ragazzina ero bravo coi Lego. E cazzo è chiaro che adesso mi lego. Amo quando sei sulle mie spalle perché la vita è corta e se ritorni stavolta non andare. E scusa sai ma non ci penso più. Mai fatto pezzi l'amore ma adesso non ci casco più. Aspetta se vuoi dormiamo insieme.
So we just got to our Airbnb. It's 6 p.m. It's been 13 hours since we left Bangkok.
It took us, like 5 hours to get here, and in the middle of the drive, the woman and the guy started arguing because he was saying that it was 2,800 that was agreed on, but the guy at the airport told us 25.
It was a whole situation.
Yeah, it was a whole situation.
But we made it.
We made it. I haven't slept in 24 hours.
We didn't sleep last night. We haven't had any food. We just had water and coffee. So this is the room. This is door. Wardrobe. Bathroom. I'm going to... Okay. This is I think for 2 nights, it's 60 Canadian. Apparently it's safe. So, we'll be going out later.
We're going out later. That's where we're going. We're going out.
Beef burritos, both of us, and I'm so excited.
They look super good, and we're super hungry.
We're super hungry. Look at this huge thing.
Alright, the burrito is gone. Hands down, that was the best burrito I've ever had in my life. I don't know if it's because I haven't ate in 24 hours and I was just starving and he could have fed me poop. It's just the best burrito in the world. It was actually so good. I was not expecting that in the Philippines.
It's just moist and cheesy and just wet. Yeah, it's wet.
The people here are really nice. The girl that checked us in was super nice. The servers here have been super nice. It's just been good vibes.
Purple yam drink. It's really famous in the Philippines. Tastes really good.
Good morning. Just woke up, got ready. Yeah, we woke up early today. This is our first time seeing this place in the daylight because we got back late last night. So right now we're gonna rent a scooter. We're gonna go grab coffee. We have no more toothpaste, so we're gonna go grab some toothpaste, come back here, brush our teeth, and see where the day takes us.
Sé que se me nota, porfa que me traigan otra copa. Dile al DJ que se ponga una de colado. Esta noche no vamos a llorar. Hoy mi gente.
Really nice seeing like the Philippines in the daylight for the first time where we're staying.
Pastillita pa'l bajo. Mi pana me regalan no en la roca. Dime parcerita, yo ando aquí en la misma nota. Vamos pa' la guaira. Yo soy el chamito que no te banda con vaina. Fabuloso, matador. Desde que te vi ya me siento mejor. Vamos pa' la playa, contigo me voy. No traigo guarito.
The universe is with us. So basically, we were just saying that the coffee here is like kind of expensive for what we imagined for the location and stuff. It's like 150 pesos. So we just got here, buy one get one free. Spilled his coffee all over his new white shirt.
We got all the coffee stains out though.
Yeah, it's still kind of wet.
Sé que se me nota, porfa que me traigan otra copa. Dile al DJ que se ponga una de colado. Esta noche no vamos a llorar. Hoy mi gente vino a vacilar nada más. Hora loca y una pastillita pa'l bajo. Y unos chilaquiles pa'l bajo. Y unos chilaquiles pa'l bajo.
We just got to White Beach. Yeah, the snorkeling that we did today was mediocre. It wasn't the best. I've done better snorkeling in the Gili Islands in Bali. It was full of people. There's a lot of pollution and stuff in the ocean. Yeah, it wasn't that nice. We got to see a few turtles, so that was all right in the sardines. And now we're gonna stay here for the sunset. Probably grab some food after and see where the night takes us. First impression of this place, White Beach, is it's not really that nice. A lot of pollution on the ground. There's a lot nicer beaches on different islands that we're gonna go, but I guess everyone comes here for the sunset. You do have the mountains out on the horizon, which is nice. We were just talking about how we keep forgetting where we are.
Yeah.
It's both our first times in the Philippines. Like the town that we're in kind of feels like Indonesia. It feels like we're in Bali. The islands we're going to be visiting will be epic. It's going to be a more exotic, cleaner beaches. Our first day here has been amazing. Both really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But it's the vibes that are good. We haven't seen anything amazing. Like we haven't seen anything that's like Oh wow.
Also, we got lost on the way here to White Beach, and people on the street telling us the directions.
Everyone here is so nice that it's like suspicious. Nothing has been sketchy, but they're just so nice and helpful. It makes you wonder like what's going on. And another really nice thing about the Philippines, if you're thinking about coming, is that everybody speaks English. You know, if you go to Indonesia, Vietnam and stuff, they can speak a little bit of English, but here you can clearly communicate with everyone that you come across.
Yeah.
So that's really nice as well. So we just booked our tour for the whale sharks in Oslo. We're getting picked up at 2:50 a.m., which I'm not really excited about.
I am.
She's excited. I'm excited for the tour, but yeah, 2:50 a.m. is early. Right now, what time is it? It's 6:30. We're just grabbing some food. The drive is 3 hours long.
Looks so good. So we got the pork sisig and 2 garlic rice. First time trying Filipino. How is it, baby?
Really good. What do we have here?
Mango shake. Because I wanted something refreshing.
How is it?
It's good. It's like a mango milkshake.
Oh, it's so refreshing.
We're both really tired. Can't wait to just shower and go to bed and wake up at like 2:30 a.m. He's not so excited.
I'm not.